The Big Bang created the universe, but how can so much come from practically nothing?
These are brilliant questions to get to one of the fundamental questions in modern theoretical physics. It's interesting, this idea of the Big Bang created the universe. That's what Einstein's theory says. That's textbook cosmology, if you like. But the current textbook picture is there was a phase in the universe's life before the Big Bang, if you define the Big Bang as the hot, dense phase from which the universe appeared to sort of burst forth 13.8 billion years ago. And that phase is called inflation. So what we think happened is that before that, the universe was accelerating exponentially fast. It means it was doubling and doubling and doubling in size. And the numbers are ridiculous. We think that if you started with a universe that was smaller than a single atom, then it would be bigger by a long way than the whole observable universe, with 350 billion galaxies in it, in less than a millionths of a second. For those of you that know scientific notation, it's something like 10 to the minus 35 or 10 to the minus 36 seconds. So very rapid, exponentially fast expansion. And when that stopped, all the energy that was driving that expansion got dumped into space. It heated it up. It produced the particles of matter out of which we're made and all the things that we see out there in the sky. And that's what we see as the Big Bang. So that sounds fanciful, but that's...
If that's the case, that the universe was smaller than a single atom, and then expanded to beyond the size of the observable universe, faster than anyone can believe possible, that's literally breaking the light barrier 1 billion times over by the sounds of it. And then it cools and compresses again. Then realistically, the expansion of the universe that Einstein sees is either a bounce back or is just something. I just don't get that part, because it feels like there's a gap between what is standard cosmology and what is observed in the universe, the expansion of the universe and the cosmological model that we currently have. I'm not here to denounce them all, I'm just here to point out that thing, and therefore how some people will say, whilst the Big Bang is a set theory that we understand these days, really we just don't understand much.